Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman. Welcome to Stuff We Love. On this episode, we've got some garage upgrades. We'll upgrade your lighting, upgrade your organization, and we'll make your garage smarter. Let's check it out. Here we have the MyQ Smart Garage Hub by Chamberlain. Now what this hub does is it takes your older garage door opener and retrofits it to give it some extra smarts. That means you can monitor and control your garage door right from your phone via the MyQ app. What that does is that allows you to open your garage door remotely in case there's an emergency, or to let your neighbor in while you're on vacation to feed your pet. The other thing it does is it works with Amazon Key, which gives your Amazon delivery driver access to open and close so they can safely leave your package inside your garage. Now this works with several different brands and models of garage door openers, and it's really easy to install. It takes about 30 minutes. Now the hub costs about $40 online, and once you have the hub and the app that goes with it, you can then add other things to your smart garage, like this LiftMaster Smart Garage Camera. Now this is really easy to install and it works really well with the app. And the thing I like about it is that it has a magnetic base, so you don't have to fasten anything. It sticks to the bottom of your garage door opener. It takes about 5 minutes to hook up to your hub. And then once you have that, you can see a live stream from the inside of your garage onto your phone. This costs about $160, also available online. Remember, that is the MyQ Smart Garage Hub and the LiftMaster Smart Garage Camera. Check them out. Here we have a unique garage light. It's in a category of deformable lighting, but it is an awesome upgrade to your current garage light situation. It's really easy to install. It really just replaces an old bulb in a regular fixture in your garage. No wiring needed, just screw it in. It's got these panels which are movable, and you can kind of control the lighting in your garage where you want it to point. This one was $35 online. It comes with the 3 panels, has 6,000 lumens. So they come in a variety of configurations. This one has 3 panels. They come up to 5 panels, and some of them even have motion sensing capabilities. They range between $30 and $100, and you can find them online. This one, again, was $35, and that is a deformable light and a really great way to upgrade your garage lighting. Now here we have Omniwall's organization system. Now it revolves around this back panel that gets attached to your wall, which is kind of like an upgrade to an old standard pegboard wall. Now it does use the old pegboard solution pegs, so you don't have to get rid of those, which is nice. Now they also come in different kits. There's shelving kits, there's power tool storage kits, and other different varieties to store different types of things. One other cool thing about this is they all come powder coated, and you can get them in several different colors. Now they start around $150 depending on which kit you get, but you can find them online. That is the Omniwall storage system. So there you have it, 4 awesome products that you can use to easily upgrade your garage space. We'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.